Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have to u du. First derivative of s square, we have to s dx. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we got the final of the value of u in here. So we put number 0 gone here. The square root of number 9, you got about number 3. When s equals to number 3, so I will put number 3 gone here to find the value of u. So we put number 3 gone here, and we have 9 plus 9 is about 18. The square root of number 18, we have number 3 with the square root of number 2. So number 0 we change by number 3. Number 3 we change by number 3 with the square root of number 2. This one we change by u. S dx we change by u du. U and u we have u square. So number 3 we put outside. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the bounds from number 3 to number 3 with the square root of number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we put the bounds gone here, and number 3 gone here. We calculate about this one, and we got negative number 3 plus 6 with the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.